In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate price before and after taxes in Microsoft Excel. Understanding how to calculate prices with and without tax is a useful skill when managing budgets, creating invoices, or analyzing product costs. Microsoft Excel makes these calculations simple by allowing you to use formulas that automatically update whenever the numbers change. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and create a simple table to organize your data. In your worksheet, enter labels such as original price, tax rate, price after tax, and price before tax. Organizing the information this way makes the spreadsheet easier to read and ensures that the formulas work correctly. Start by entering the original price of a product in the cell next to the original price label. Then enter the tax rate in the cell next to the tax rate label. The tax rate should be entered as a percentage so Excel can correctly calculate the additional amount added to the price. Next, calculate the price after tax. Click the cell next to the label Price After Tax and type a formula that multiplies the original price by 1 plus the tax rate. This formula tells Excel to add the tax amount to the original price. After typing the formula, press Enter and Excel will automatically display the final price including tax. Now let's calculate the price before tax in case you only have the total price that already includes tax. Click the cell next to the label Price Before Tax. In this cell, type a formula that divides the final price by 1 plus the tax rate. When you press Enter, Excel will return the original price before tax was added. One of the biggest advantages of using Excel for these calculations is that the results update automatically. If you change the original price or adjust the tax rate, the formulas will instantly recalculate the values. This allows you to test different pricing scenarios without needing to redo the calculations manually. This approach is especially useful for businesses, budgeting tasks, or financial planning where tax calculations are frequently required. By setting up a small table and using simple formulas, Excel becomes a quick and reliable tool for determining both pre-tax and post-tax prices. Once your spreadsheet is set up, you can easily reuse it as a template for future calculations. Just enter new values for the price and tax rate, and Excel will handle the rest automatically. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.